Hey, hey guys, this is your boy D-Rock in the building. This is your boy Tim Love. We have a battery and a screwdriver, and we want to see if the battery. We don't see if the battery sticks to the screwdriver. Let's see. We're gonna have to stab it.
Stab it really hurts.
Oh no, let's see. Alright. And make sure you get 200 likes. I am giving away 2 fidget spinners, and this is actually working.
Yes!
A battery
5 spinners.
sticking.
5.
Oh no! To a
Oh, it was me.
screwdriver.
With the bing bing.
Hope it don't drop. It dropped. If you actually do this, just stab it with the battery, and it was gonna scratch, and then
Pink it up.
you really can
It hurts a lot.
you stick just like a magnet. You might be careful with it, or don't go fast like that. At least it falls. I tried to get the pop challenge, but it didn't upload, so we lost it.
We tried to what?
So we started doing
This spicy chips. Oh, my brother don't want to do it.
spicy chip challenge.
It's spicy noodles with our sauce.
No, Tim, no, we ain't doing that. We're gonna have hot Cheetos, hot Pops, and some other stuff.
Hot Cheetos.
My brother gonna get the big bag of hot Cheetos, and I'm gonna get the big bag of hot Puffs. So
Yeah, I don't think they're khakis.
make sure to leave a like on this.
They're khakis, boy. They're khakis.
No.
Yeah,
no.
khakis.
No, Tim.
Yeah.
And make sure to leave a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe. Goodbye, y'all.